Hey guys, so I'll be bringing some of my unboxing and review videos over here on this channel. Mostly be products that I purchase, non-gaming. I'm not going to post like games and stuff like that. Although this did come from one of my gaming channels, it's because they're cables and they're relevant to gaming. If you're looking for cables for your PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X, do not purchase these ones. At the time of this recording, those systems were not out yet. They were announced, but they weren't out yet. But you want something that's more on the lines of 120 hertz. These are 60 hertz cables, so but they work great for any of the previous generation consoles, such as the PlayStation 4 or the Xbox One consoles and Nintendo Switch. They work great for the Switch as well, even though the Switch is not 4K. So I will post a link in the description to the original video because I am kind of talking over it right now. But this is just to give you an idea of what these cables are like. Thanks. My devices, like I said, I used to color code them with tape and stuff like that. So that does help to have that. Compatible with OLED and QLED TVs. It does support HDR, so that's important for those of you who are looking for that. It is a 4K cable, 4K HDR. It goes up to 60 hertz, so this is something that you'd want on, if you're a gamer, you use this on your current devices, gaming consoles. So that would include the PS4, the Xbox One, and Nintendo Switch. 16-bit color. It has 21 gigabytes of speed. And the cables are pretty thick. And of course they're 6 feet long, so go ahead and open this up. This is the lime, or they call it green. It's like a lime green. So there's the cable. Like I said, it's pretty thick. This outer white shell right here is where you got your LED. And I'm actually running this cable on my monitor back here. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys, because I am running this cable through my capture card and my monitors. You can see right there, there's one right there. They power on when you're using the devices, so that's really nice. As you can see, this monitor right here, it's on. You can see that it's purple. Get a better shot right there. There we go. And we'll go around to the other monitor. Got this hooked up right there. Kind of hard to see. I'll kind of turn the monitor around here. There we go. See right there, light lit up right there. So when I have the PS4 turned on, it will power on accordingly. As you can see my PS4 right here. Right there, there's a cable, but it's not on, so it's not lit up. Right now it's connected to the capture card. This lime green one is going to go to my Switch. There's the Switch dock. I have been using this dock. I'll do a review on that later on. A lot of people are looking forward to that review, actually. So I do have this cable set up to other devices as well over here. There's my PS4 Pro. I use it for that one. So if you have like a 4K device, that's definitely what you want it for. HDR support, of course. So my all I can say, it's a cable. It's not really something big to. Nothing else I can really tell you guys other than my experience. It's a good cable. I do recommend it. I don't recommend it for the newer consoles that are coming out unless they make a newer version of this cable. And if they do, I will definitely update the description to this video and let you guys know. This isn't a 2.1 HDMI cable. So until they make that one, I'm pretty sure Monster will make a updated version of it. And when they do, I'll let you guys know for sure. These are actually from Walmart. They're about $12 and change. I did some search online on eBay. They run around about that price. They can run anywhere from $9 plus shipping up to $15. So they're not too badly priced. And if you do want to look for these cables, Walmart does carry them, and I will provide links in the description box if you're watching this on YouTube, so that you guys can check out the cables and see where you can purchase them from. Alright, so let's actually check out the cables, not that I put them in. As you can see, that's what they look like. Okay, so I'm voicing over again over the video, and the actual video is different than this. It's actually longer. So this is kind of a summarized version of it. However, I do want to stress out again, as you can see, that monitor was 144 refresh rate, and these cables are 4K 60. So keep in mind, I'm only going to get 60 hertz out of it. I won't get the 144. I have different monitors now. Everything there is different now. I have different cables. I have display ports, and I just use different equipment now. So for my TVs, though, I do use those cables still, and they're great. But I am gonna try to see if I can find something that can get me 120, because my TV does do 120. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and hit like to support me. And if you want to see the full review, check out the link in the description to this video. I have the full review there. Thanks.